All right, guys, we're here today at Desel's Mud Ranch, and this is a special event weekend. Obviously, it's Memorial Day, so that's cool, but we're doing the Team Truck Challenge, and I've got Team DMR. All right, so, guys, I need to know, this is kind of a special event. I'm going to pass it around here a little bit. We got Danny Christian.
Driving Honky
Kong. We got Ryan Woodard.
Driving wide open.
Wide open, and I got Joe Ham.
Wicked Addiction.
Wicked Addiction, man. I love it. Okay, guys, so for those of, I don't know, I guess some people may have not have heard of the Team Truck Challenge. For the two people that haven't heard of the Team Truck Challenge, what are we doing here? Danny, tell us a little bit about it.
So we start off with two teams, the bounty holes first, then the 2-lane drag, and then the tug pad, and it's a reverse order plus 5. So if there's 8 teams, if you finish first, you get 13 points.
Okay.
And then second place gets 12, and the amount of people at the end, whoever's got the most points.
Okay, so it's a point system. That's pretty cool. Okay, so the bounty hole is pretty obvious. I mean, a bounty, if you pull it, cool. If not, then obviously, you know, the next guy's got a better shot. Tell me about the elimination system on the side-by-side drags. I guess that's where it gets interesting.
So the side-by-side drags, it's easy because there's 8 people. We got 4 brackets.
Okay.
They come down to 2. Then the winner, you get first, second, third, fourth out of there.
Okay.
And then we got a loser's bracket, then a loser's bracket, and a winner's loser's bracket. So you got to race all the way down to that last 8th place.
Okay, and so you got placement, and then the points on top of that carries over as collective score for the whole
It's
event.
the same thing with the tug pad. We didn't do any weight matching or nothing, because if you put your first 2 heaviest trucks out first, your second place truck loses. That's not fair.
Right.
So we did a blind draw, and it's the same tournament style format as the 2-lane.
Just eliminations there as well. Okay, cool. All right, so I'm excited about this. Tell me about which one you drew, which activity. What are you gonna do?
I got the 2-lane bog pit challenge.
Yeah.
So unfortunately, I got to race John Moore first with like a 1600 horse blower motor truck.
It's all good.
But
you know, I've seen those things just they have a backfire and fall on their face, and you come in for the win. So you know, you never know what's gonna happen. So
Blue Monkey monster truck's gonna rip it.
Right. Love it, dude. Okay, cool. And Ryan, what do you draw? What are you doing?
I drove drew the Tug of War.
Okay, so you're gonna be in
for our
tugs.
team. So pretty much, kind of depends on who I'm lined up against.
Right.
If I draw rednecks with paychecks again in it, it's either gonna be a a free for all again. I mean, he got me at the last event,
right?
But it's new.
It was still a good show at NTR.
We got to try it again.
Cool.
Either that, or we're just gonna make sure we put on a good show.
Oh yeah, that's what it's all about, dude. And like you said, it
smoke the tires
doesn't necessarily mean if you need to pull a win there, but it's about the team score. So
yeah, you're with the team event, you don't always have to get first.
Yeah.
I mean, even if you can pull second in every event, you might come out with the win, because if one team gets first in one, but
get 8th,
6th, 7th in the other one, points going down. So you don't always have to have first. You just need to try your hardest.
Love it, dude. Okay, and Joe, what did you end up drawing?
I'm in the bounty hole.
You bounty, man. I love a bounty.
Yeah, I'm gonna try my best at it, see what happens. Try to get some points in there for the team.
Cool. Okay, and what slot do you get? You know what running order you are?
I'm all the way at the very bottom.
Oh, dang, you're last, huh?
Yeah, last. So hopefully you get all the mud pushed out of there. And
dude, let everybody else cut a rut, and you just kind of follow it and push it out at the end.
See what happens with it.
Cool. All right, guys. Well, I enjoyed the run through today, man. I'm looking forward. It's going to be an exciting event. Weather's looking good. The mud is horrible, but that's how we like it. So anyway, good luck, guys. I'll see y'all out there.
All right, thanks.
Jessica, everybody. That's what I'm talking about. Janine Sinclair. Team Canada, everybody. minutes, 14 seconds.